Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Christine. Oh my gosh, namiss ko. Namiss. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Christine. Oh my gosh, namiss ko mag-intro. And of course, namiss ko din kayo. And before anything else, I just want to say sorry kung ngayon lang ako nakapag-upload ng video. I'm very busy with my clerkship and sa studies ko. So, I'll try my best to upload more videos. Anyway, today's video is going to be my top 5 best locally eyeshadow palette for beginners like me. So, let's start first with this one, yung Everbelen na eyeshadow palette in pink. And this one is nabili ko siya for only 175 pesos in Watsons. Actually, this palette is, ito yung naging una kong eyeshadow palette. And this eyeshadow comes with a mirror and an applicator. And as you can see, this eyeshadow palette is very shimmery and pigmented. And you can play with the colors. The only downside here is medyo creamy and powdery siya. Kaya be careful na lang if gagamitin nyo siya. And as you can see, medyo gamit na gamit ko na siya kasi ito talaga yung lagi kong ginagamit before. And is-swatch ko na siya para makita nyo kung ano yung actual na itsura niya. And the next is this one, yung Careline Full Face Palette Play to Slay. And nabili ko siya for only 275 pesos sa SM Department Store Beauty section. So, ganito siya sa loob. Ang gaganda ng colors niya. It's very pigmented and easy to blend. The only downside here is medyo patchy siya and creamy. Medyo may fallout siya, pero with the price, okay na din siya. And this palette has 12 colors, ito. And then, it also comes with a blush on na dalawa. Ang ganda ng colors niya. And meron na din siyang highlighter. So, for only 275 pesos, meron ka ng eyeshadow, blush on, and highlighter. So, is-swatch ko na siya para makita nyo. Next is this one, yung the blush nudes from Maybelline. This is only 675 pesos and nabili ko siya sa Watsons. Ganito siya sa loob niya. And it has also an applicator. What I like about this one is very basic and neutral yung colors niya and ang glowy din. This palette is perfect for everyday use, pang summer, pang date, pang night look. In terms of pigmentation, hindi siya ganun ka-pigmented. So, mai-recommend ko na gumamit muna ng primer base for best result. So, ganito siya. And at the back, makikita nyo na may maliit na chart which shows the guide on how to use the palette in many ways. And what I like about this is a very handy and trouble-friendly din niya. It has also 12 colors all in all. So, is-swatch ko na siya para makita nyo kung gaano kaganda yung mga colors na to. Next is this one, yung Everbelen na Uncover 212 Color Eyeshadow. This one is 395 pesos at nabili ko siya sa Watsons. What I like about this is ang social niya tingnan and ganito siya sa loob. It comes with a mirror and an applicator. It has also 12 colors. And ma-recommend ko siya for all the beginners because it has all the colors that you need and pwede nyo siyang pag-practicean everyday. The only downside here is medyo powdery siya, kaya be careful na sa paggamit. Pero blendable naman siya. But for the price, you got 12 colors na and okay na siya. And iswep ko na para makita nyo kung paano yung application niya. And lastly, I have this one, yung Fashion 21 Eyeshadow Kit number 4. And nabili ko siya for only 195 pesos sa SM Department Store Beauty section. And it's my favorite eyeshadow palette kasi lahat ng shade niya is nagagamit ko. Ganito siya sa loob. Aside from that, it's very affordable, trouble-friendly, and ang compact niya lang. Ganito siya. And ang pigmented din niya and easy to blend. Pero ang ayoko lang sa kanya is medyo powdery siya, pero okay naman siya. I will recommend this one also for all the beginners kasi tingnan nyo guys, ganito siya. Meron din siyang nude colors and very basic yung colors niya. And perfect for day to night look. So, pwede din siya for everyday use. And iswatch ko siya para makita nyo kung paano yung application niya. So, there you go guys. Thank you for watching and I hope na nagustuhan nyo ang video na to. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any video recommendations, feel free to comment down below on the section box. So, see you guys on my next video. Bye!